Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to download songs on iPhone. So if you want to download a non-copyright song for free on your iPhone, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to download songs on iPhone for free, all you need to do is go ahead and open your Safari browser, then search for NCS songs, and then search for it. Once you type NCS song, then it should say a list of websites where you can download NCS songs for free. Then click on any of the results, and it's going to open NCS song page for you. Here you can download all these songs for free, and you can even download the instrumental for free. You can just go ahead, search through the NCS songs download page. Once you find the one you want to download, click on download. Then you should see another page pops. On the page, you have download or download instrumental version. So click on download, and again, you should see download from the pop. Then you should see the song downloading. While the song is downloading, go back again. Come here, search for another song you want. You can just search track artist, search for genres, maybe alternative dance, hip hop, ambient, anti-pop bars, bass house. Just based on your interest, search for it. Then you should have it like this. Now, click on the one you want to download, and then you should see download track. Repeat the same thing, click on download track, then click on download again from the pop. This is good to download the song for free on your iPhone. Now, to confirm the song you've downloaded, go to your iPhone app menu, locate and open the Files app. So if you couldn't find the Files app, you can just use the Spotlight section and search for files. Then you should see the NCS song you downloaded. You see this, and you can see this one is still downloading from the Safari browser. And then you're good. You can just go ahead, click on it, rename it, or better still, click on it to play it and then hit the play button. So that's exactly how to download songs for free on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.